In this section, we will learn how to create an accident zone at an urban intersection. First, open the Signal Intersection Network in the Motorized Intersection folder under the Example directory. Select Accident Zone on the toolbar, then right-click and drag to create it. In the Accident Zone editing window, you can edit the accident zone length, lane changing distance, speed limit duration, activation time and corresponding lanes. Start the simulation after finishing the settings. Since the activation time is not set to 0 seconds, the accident zone will appear during the simulation. You can see vehicles taking evasive action to avoid the accident zone. Switch to 3D view, and an accident vehicle model will be automatically generated at the accident zone for display.